Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! John is not here. He went out Kaibigan shooting with his friends. And right now, nanonood ako ng TV. And nakita ko yung wood burner natin, hindi siya nag-survive. The fire is out. Kakasindi ko lang. And nagluto ako ng carbonara. Sandali lang ha, ipopost ko muna yung TV kasi nanonood ako ng ano nga ba to? Avengers Endgame. So yun yung title niya. Sisindihan ko ulit yung wood burner. Ay, naku naman talaga. Wala kasi akong steak. Hindi ako lumabas para kumuha ng steak. So, I'm just trying to light it with a big woods, which is not ideal. Kaya hindi siya nag-survive. See, tingnan niyo. Please, mag-survive ka this time. Tinamad kasi akong lumabas, kaya ayun. I'm really hoping na mag-survive siya this time. Bakit ang puti? Ay, naka +1 pala siya. Yan. So, ito yung niluto ko, carbonara. Kasi yun nga, meron tayong leftover na cream. Nilagyan ko siya ng counting ham and cheese. Yun lang. Hindi na ako nag-add ng flour nito kasi yung cream na ginamit ko, double cream siya. Masarap. Nako. Yung battery. Nagbiblink kayo. Nag-survive yung fire natin. Yan na oh. Yan. It's tea time. Nako, tingnan nyo yung buhok ko. Sobrang wild kasi nag-shower ako kanina at hindi ko siya in-iron ulit. So, tea time ngayon. Simpleng tea time lang yung gagawin natin ngayon. Excuse me. Simpleng tea time lang. Magpa-fries tayo at pastis. Hindi ako magtiti ngayon. Si John lang. Yan, oh. Kasi kaninang breakfast, I have a big breakfast. Nagpasta ako. So, until now, busog pa din ako. And okay na rin na hindi ako kakain kasi alam niyo naman, this past 2 days talaga, nako, ang mga kinain ko, walang galit. Yung oras dito is 4:37 na ng hapon. Ang wild ko tingnan sa buko. Ito yung pastis. Look at him. He's having the last serves of the trifle.
There's only a little bit left down there.
So you're not gonna share?
If you want to have a taste, I can give you a taste.
That's how greedy he is with his trifle.
Not greedy.
The next day.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. Kakauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho. Kukunin ko lang yung bin natin. Yeah. The bin man has been. Wala dito si Mr. Nag-repigeon si Mr.
A few moments later.
Mag-a-iron tayo. Yan. Nakikita nyo na ako ng mas maliwanag. So, mag-iron ako ng shirt ni Jan kasi ngayon We're going out with his friends. Para siyang Christmas party, but it's not Christmas party. It is just a dine out with his friends. Yung mga kaibigan niya na kasama niya sa pag clay pigeon shooting. So, ayun, nag-ayos-ayos ako ng konti. Okay na ba yung kilay ko? Yan na siguro. So, I'm almost ready. I just need lipstick and a touch-up later. Ako talaga, nag-iron lang ako pag ginagamit yung damit. I don't like ironing. I hate it. Just give me different jobs and I'll do it except ironing. So yan na. Ito turn on lang natin saglit yung ating Christmas tree. Yan. Pag umaalis kasi kami, we turn off everything. Mostly na itong mga Christmas light. Naku, hindi namin yan iniiwanan pag pag lumalabas kami kasi hindi mo alam. You never know. Baka mag-short circuit siya at magkaroon ng fire dito. Wag naman sana. I'm hungry. Time is 5 to 4 in the afternoon. We're going out mga 6:30 na. So, long way to go. So, ito na. Ready na ako. So, ito yung suot ko. Ito yung sinuot ko sa live blood session. Nag-cardigan lang ako. Papasensya nyo na yan. See? Yan. And susuotan ko lang siya ng boots. Yan. Ako yung magdadrive. Yung pupuntahan kasi namin ng pub, malapit lang sa amin. So, ako yung magdadrive kasi si Jan iinom. Hindi ako iinom. Jan is ready to go as well. Here he is. Hi, mister.
Hello.
You need to start my car, honeybee.
No, we're going to do it now.
So, I don't know if I am filming inside the pub. I'm a bit shy.
I will. I'll just a quick whiz round.
Yeah, but the thing, honey, you need to ask a permission. And as you know, Jan's friend is not my age, so I don't want them to think that, oh, I'm just a typical young adult who cannot eat without taking selfie the food like that, you know. Ayaw ko naman na pag-usapan nila ako, so makikibagay ako sa
She can't
environment.
eat without taking a selfie. She can't do nothing without taking selfies. She can't do nothing without making her husband take.
Don't say
things.
that, oy.
Right.
So yeah.
I'll go and do this. Let cookies out. I think probably need to wear my jacket, don't I?
I don't know. We're not really going outside, so that's why I'm wearing cardigan.
I think I need a jacket.
Yeah. You never
Better,
know.
wouldn't I? I can take it off, can't I? You got your money?
Wait, where's my money? From Mama. Honey, where's my money? He gave me 20 pounds for Christmas. And then Mama gave me 50 pounds for Christmas as well. So I should have a 70 pounds.
See, Mr. H. Right, I'll go and start the car.
Start the car.
Let Dougal Bears out for a minute while it's...
Yeah. Sinabi ko kay Jan na hindi tayo magtatagal doon kasi I have work tomorrow. Early ako tomorrow. Don't turn off the light. Early ako tomorrow, 7:30 to 10:30 lang. Then tomorrow, aalis kami ulit. And then on Monday, all day ako Monday. So, busy week. turn off the light. Yan.
Well, I need some glasses with me.
Yeah, just in case, because yeah, because you never know, we might choose a pudding.
Back, darling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Time is 25 past. My car is
There's
still...
no windows open, or is there?
I don't know.
No.
My car is still fogging inside, Han.
Fuging. Fuging. That's clearing though now.
At meron akong boots dito. Ito yung susuotin ko sa pub. Kasi naka-flat lang kasi ako. Ito yung ginagamit ko pag nagda-drive ako. I cannot drive with heels.
I'm driving there, so put your boots on.
Hmm?
I'll drive there, you put your boots on.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
I'll put my boots. Si Jen pala yung magda-drive to the pub. Then from the pub, I'm the driver. I don't have my tripod with me.
turn it off there before you rip it off.
There you go. Can you see me?
No.
What are you doing, Anne?
Can you see it now? Oh yes. See a little booty.
Yeah. So I need to take this with me. You can see me now. Am I look alright?
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? You can only see your body.
Flick my hair.
Flick your hair, yeah.
That's it.
Let's go now. We're going. I'm so hungry. What's the temperature, Han?
No, I do know.
Whew. Hindi kasi nag proper jacket, nag cardigan lang. Kaya ayun. What's the temperature? 5 degrees. It's 5 degrees. Oi! My flat. It's inside the house. I need that flat for driving. Sabi ko na nga ba, makakalimutan ko. Here it is. Nakita ba na umuusok yung bibig ko? And off we go. Nandito na kami. It's 3 minutes driving only.
A few moments later.
We're home. Sorry, I did not vlog inside the pub.
You'll wake the dogs.
I'll wake the dogs. John is whispering because nagigising ko daw yung mga aso. So, for my starter, I had a pate. And then, for my main, I have salmon and Hollandaise sauce. And for pudding, apple pie. Apple pie is not the best.
Pineapple pie.
It's too sour and the bottom of the pastry is a bit soggy, isn't it? Did you enjoy your night?
I need a tinker. Tinker.
Yung makeup ko, is my makeup okay? Nagstay ba siya? Yung nose ko lang, sobrang oily niya. Ew! So, I'll see you tomorrow, mga loves. Good morning! Good morning, mga palangga! Itong vlog na to talaga, puros na lang beginning, puros na lang simula, pero walang ending. Wala kasing ganap through the day. Kaya ako, minsan hindi ako nagba-vlog. Oh, wrong one. There you go.
It's early yet.
Good morning, mister.
It's early yet.
Early.
Early. Walked up in the middle at night.
I have my I have my purse. Iniwan ko dyan kagabi. Kasi yung bag na dinala ko kagabi, maliit siya. And pag dinala ko tong purse na to, it's a bit bulky. Kaya ayun, iniwan ko. Dinala ko na lang yung card ko and my driving license. Just in case they ask my ID if I want to buy alcohol. Which I did not buy alcohol. I am with my husband and his friends. Did you have a good time last night, sweetheart?
They keep asking me for my ID.
Oh yes, they keep asking your ID. Did you have a good time?
It's not time to go. Yes, darling.
Good.
It's all 10 to.
10 to. Turn on natin yung Christmas tree natin. Yan. Still Christmas, you know. Yan. New Year's Eve, I'm not working, but New Year's Day I am working. So that's my New Year's Day be like. Working, working, working. Na-miss ko na talaga ang Pinas ay mostly like Pasko, mag-celebrate ng New Year. Naku, nakakamiss. Good morning. Good morning, sweetheart.
Oh, no.
Good morning.
Morgan down. Morgan down the mountain.
What you have done
It's folded.
to Teddy?
It needs to be in that corner. No, Ted, stop it.
It's hugging you. Tick, tick, tick.
Darling. Yeah.
Here we are again. Hindi ako makapasok sa trabaho kasi lock pa. Should I go back to my car or not? Meron akong newspaper dito. Yung delivery guy, binigay ito sa akin. Kasi nakatayo kasi ako dito and he know na yung door hindi pa open. It's so hard to put it in the letterbox. Busy siguro night staff pa. Babalik na lang ako sa loob ng sasakyan. We're going to Tesco. Open the car, please. Mag-grocery lang kami just a top-up grocery.
She must give me a headache in there. I don't know what.
My family is online earlier, but for some reason, yung tawag nila, connecting lang talaga every time I answer it. And then, tinawagan ko sila just to try baka yung signal. Tinawagan ko sila and still the same. Connecting pa din. Ewan ko kung bakit ganito yung signal. We're here. We're here in Tesco.
Are you now?
Yes. No, I cannot find anything. I'm looking something. I cannot tell you yet.
Not at this side.
No. I'm excited.
I won't be too excited.
Excited going to Tesco. Bananas. Yeah. Oh, the other side. That's more greener.
What?
This one. What do you think? It's up to you.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay then. I won. Look what I found. Henry. 99 pounds. Tesco is busy. Hi, sir.
Got a snivel.
Oh no.
Needs to go away.
We're home. So ito lang yung napamili namin. Yan. 2 bag pero hindi siya puno. And yung nabayaran namin. Naku, itong si John. Ay. Yung nabayaran lang namin is 38 pounds. So there's not a lot of groceries in here. Why are you sniffling so much?
Oh, no.